In English studies, syntax refers to the set of principles and rules that govern the structure of sentences in a language. It involves the arrangement of words and phrases to create grammatically correct and meaningful sentences. Syntax plays a crucial role in how words are ordered to convey specific meanings and relationships within a sentence. Here are some key elements and examples of syntax in English. First, word order. English typically follows a subject-verb-object word order in declarative sentences. For example, original, the cat chased the mouse. Reversed, the mouse was chased by the cat. Second, sentence types. Different sentence types have distinct syntactic structures. Simple sentence, Mary enjoys reading. Compound sentence, Mary enjoys reading, but she also likes hiking. Complex sentence, although Mary enjoys reading, she prefers outdoor activities. Third, modifiers and phrases. Modifiers, such as adjectives and adverbs, play a role in sentence structure. Original, the tall man quickly walked to the store. Revised, quickly the tall man walked to the store. Fourth, clauses. Clauses are groups of words that contain a subject and a verb. Independent clause, the sun was shining. Dependent clause, although the sun was shining, it was still cold. Fifth, coordination and subordination. Coordinating and subordinating conjunctions are used to connect ideas and create complex sentences. Coordination, the sun was shining and the birds were singing. Subordination, because the sun was shining, the weather was pleasant. Sixth, question formation. Word order changes when forming questions. Statement, she is coming to the party. Question, is she coming to the party? Seventh, negation. The placement of negative words affects sentence structure. Affirmative, she will go to the store. Negative, she will not go to the store. Eighth, parallelism. Parallel structure involves using the same grammatical form for elements in a sentence. Non-parallel, she likes hiking, swimming, and to ride a bike. Parallel, she likes hiking, swimming, and biking. Understanding syntax is essential for constructing clear and effective communication in written and spoken language. It allows individuals to analyze sentences, identify grammatical structures, and create well-structured and coherent pieces of writing. Ready to learn more? Follow me and stay tuned for a wealth of valuable insights.